everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to talk about labor burden. Probably one of the most unutilized things on small and large claims. Let's roll that intro.
You know you got me wild, you got me feeling like, oh, she make me feel alive, make me feel alive, she make me feel alright, she makes me feel alive, make me feel alive. Till you come back home, until you come back home, until you come back home, till you come back home.
So, you got a claim, and that claim is like some relatively large building, but it doesn't have to be a large building. It could be just a building that's hard to get to, up a mountain, up a hill, strange neighborhood, got to go through a gate, whatever. It could be all kinds of stuff. And while you're doing that, you notice that it takes a long time to get anywhere you want to go when you're going to and from that structure. So in a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to start where I am in the parking lot of this hotel. This hotel is about the same size as a large loss that I worked recently. And I'm going to show you how long it takes to get from the parking lot to my room. Why am I doing that? Well, if we take that amount of time that it takes me from the parking lot to my room, if the worker was going to be working in my room or in that particular facility, on that level of the building, the time it took from the parking lot to the interior of the building, to the floor that worker was going to work, that time is labor burden. It's additional labor burden. Because if you add those up over and over again, and you add those to the amount of time it goes back down to go to the restroom, back down to get materials, expressing materials up and down, just moving from one place to the other, whether you're management, whether you're a documenter, whether you are a worker, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, it takes more time to get up there. I'm going to show you an example of this and talk to you about how we're going to put this in on claims so that the insureds don't get screwed when it comes time to actually do the work. Right now I got to pack this drone up. So I did it twice just to make sure I was actually dead on, because the first time it took a little longer than I thought it would, and the second time it took a little shorter than I thought it would. So at any rate, so I think that your number is going to be basically right at about 6 minutes, 5 minutes 50 seconds. I think it's a good average. So let's figure this out. If every one of these workers is going to get a break, and every one of these workers that go up is also going to get a, have to go use the bathroom. If most of these workers are going to be bringing materials up, then basically, and tools, we can figure that each of them are going to go both ways 4 times. Sorry, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 times per day if they were working a full day. So it's 6 times per day. It's 6 minutes. At 6 minutes times 6 times a day, that's 36 extra minutes in any given day. Now, I would probably round that a little higher because I wasn't carrying materials and I wasn't carrying tools. So I think it would be fair to say that somewhere close to an hour a day they're going to lose. That hour a day multiplied by 50 workers turns into a really big issue. We'll talk about what to do about that, because that's important.